Ano po, mga kababayan ng Sir, this is Jam, the Filipino channel ang inyo pong lingkod. So today is July 7, 2026 at tayo ngayon napapunta dito yan sa may Landmark West. Dito yan sa may Ayala Centro West, San Lorenzo, Makati, at dadalhin po natin sa may Vilyongko, Solano Hills, Sukat, Paranaque po yan. Okay, so ayan, disclaimer lamang po, ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger. Kaya naman, sakali man po na may marinig kayo mga pangalan ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organization sa government o private man yan ay wala pong kinalaman ng channel na ito. At wala pong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po ng pinag-uusapan dito ay pawang dito lamang po yan sa loob. At wala pong pinapatungkulan sa labas. Ito, ang content po natin ay kalsada lamang po. Ano ho? Ayan. So, magbabalik po tayo. I mean, idire-diretso na lang po natin yan. Sapagkat, ayan, makinig tayo ng mga impeachment trial. $355.
Vice President Duterte, kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. at iba pa. Sabi nga ng mga taga-constitution na panel, ito yung madali kasi na patunayan na ang titulo mas makaka-relate yung ating mga kababayan ay yung mga ordinaryong Pilipino. Dahil ang pinag-uusapan dito, hindi basta-basta pwede magbanta sa buhay ng isang pinakamataas sa opisyal ng bansa at ito yung babantaan o yung nagbanta ay mataas sa opisyal ng ating bansa.
Wala pa sila dito.
Ano next? Hello? Hello, kuya.
Andito na po ako. Saan po kayo, ma'am?
Nandito sa...
Dito na po ako, ma'am, sa Facebook page.
Nandito na kami sa labas.
Dito po ako, ma'am.
Tika. Anong plate number? 22. NFP 22? Ayaw nga yan. Di pwede.
Ano po, good afternoon po.
Sunod na la. Ikaw na lahat pag kita-kita.
Ma'am Diana, ano po?
Malala mo po.
Ma'am Diana po, ano?
Sorry ko yan, natagal na sa baba. Kala ko mahaba pa yung paghintay namin.
Kasi ang purpose po ng hash value is to calculate yung value ng video na ni-record po.
Kaya sa landmark.
Hindi po siya yung purpose. But for the integrity of the video that I recorded na, if matampered siya during the time na sinabit siya at i-record record, makikita po na iba po yung hash value.
Wala, hindi tayo makaano.
Possibility na iba yung hash ng Facebook for the same video sa hash ng sa'yo.
Magkaiba po talaga yun.
Magkaiba. But how do you know if, when you authenticate it, how do you know it's the same video?
I manually compared, Your Honor.
Manually compare.
Yes, Your Honor.
But we don't know that unless we also manually compare.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. I just want to clarify that and think about it.
I-moment ko lang.
Noted and entered into the records. What is the pleasure of Senator Judge Villanueva?
Ano tayo mo?
Mr. Presiding Officer, in relation to
Yun
what
siya na nga, Gray.
Senator Judge Alan Cayetano mentioned, may I just be allowed to
I know itong
ask a
Sigurado ka?
clarificatory question in relation to
Di
that
kito ay?
particular matter?
Judge Villanueva may
do so, Thank you,
Sakto na.
Mr. Witness.
So it fit.
I was listening attentively
Yes, muna.
earlier, and you made mention that the live stream video was recorded using Open Broadcaster Software or OBS. For the benefit of
Lalala
can you explain what OBS is and how it was used in the course of your investigation?
85.
It's open source na software na pwede po i-access na kahit
Kano ba?
Generally available to the
Yes.
public.
And ang
Bato ang
purpose po
sapatos.
niya is may two function siya.
Orit ko na lang.
And
Pagbalik ko lang.
po.
Pagbalik ko na lang.
And screen recording.
Balik ka man
Screen
lang.
recording your own.
Could you explain the capabilities
cells.
nitong
Basig tago ulit ha.
OBS as well as
Oh.
any considerations that
Good luck.
investigators take into account pag ginagamit mo itong recordings generated
Bangka ba
sa
pwede lang?
particular The discussion later on was on the leading question made by the
Kung 100 plus lang yung ano, subscribe, okay lang.
Ma'am, hindi ko po alam talaga, ma'am.
Prosecutor, please lay the foundation, the basis for your question.
Hindi ka
Honor,
dumadaan.
please, if I may respond.
Ma'am, lagi po akong dumadaan pero nakadepende nga po yan sa distansya po. Kung saan po yung pinanggagalingan po natin. Pero usually po, nasa 100 plus po or 200 ganyan po. Kung ganyang distansya po.
Do you know if at all the timestamp that pertains to any statements made by the Vice President pertaining to any of the allegations in the articles of impeachment, particularly Article 4, the subject matter of this case, in relation to alleged threats made by her in that video?
Yes, Your Honor, but may I refer to my investigator's note, Your Honor?
You may do so. Senator Cayetano is recognized.
Presiding officer.
Alan Cayetano. Sorry.
May I know from the records, is this the first time that the witness mentioned that the Vice President uttered threats against the President, former Speaker, the First Lady?
Your Honor, if I may. There was no mention at all.
Yes,
Our apologies.
No, because if it's the first time, precisely the rule says that you cannot allow leading questions. Whether it's from the judges, whether it's from the presiding officer, or from the defense. So meaning, you lay the basis. Simply, you ask him, ano yung laman ng video? Pag binanggit na niya, na may ganito sa laman ng video, then you can ask him na directly what part. So, all of us want to expedite it, but let's follow the rules. So that's why I'm asking, as this witness this afternoon, I don't know, I missed a portion because I have a headache and I had to eat before I drink medicine, but I was watching sa TV. But hindi ko pa narinig na sinabi niya to. Kasi kung hindi pa niya sinabi, Mr. Presiding Officer, can we just follow the rules and just lay the basis, ask him kung ano laman ng video, let him testify, tapos pag binanggit niya, then you can ask him, hindi na siya leading. But we shouldn't really ask leading questions because we'll violate the rules. So excuse me, but I'll just be very particular when it comes to the rules, and it's not against any group.
Senator Judge Cayetano, it will take some time before we can quote-unquote appeal to the records. I'm trying to have them get it. But in lieu of that, that's why the chair tried to intervene. Can counsel kindly lay the basis for the witness to be able to identify the timestamp portions of the 2-hour video?
All right,
Counsel for the prosecutors may proceed.
this will be quick. Mr. Witness, you said that your office conducted an investigation on the statement made by the Vice President dated November 23, 2024, correct?
Objection, Your Honor. Leading. Your Honor, he's not on direct.
Overruled. Witness may answer.
Yes, sir.
Now, ano ba exactly yung sinabi ng Vice President nung araw na yan, November 23, 2020?
Objection, Your Honor.
Well, I'm not yet done.
Well, Your Honor, the bosses of the prosecution are
Kindly
very
let
confusing.
the counsel for the prosecutors finish his question before
Precisely,
you
Your Honor.
object.
May I ask
Counsel for the
also
prosecutor may
the,
proceed.
may I ask, instead of this, Your Honor, may I ask that the Honorable Court direct the witness to allow me to object before answering? Because
Oh.
precisely the questioning of the prosecutor allows is there are many pauses, which it's confusing if he's done or not.
Counsel, witness even on occasion forgot what the question was because he did not respond to the question of the prosecutor.
Yes, Your Honor, so I just...
Court will make sure of that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So kindly finish your question.
Yes.
You want to state it again, counsel for the prosecutors.
Statement of the Vice President on that day, did you investigate?
Objection, Your Honor.
Please. Take it, counsel for respondent. A bit of patience. Let the counsel
Yes.
finish. I don't think he's finished.
The question is that, what particular statement on that day did you investigate? How is that leading?
Objection, Your Honor. They,
Okay,
not
Your-
leading.
Your Honor, please, can
I
I
didn't
ask
say
you that,
leading.
Your Honor, please? Can I?
What is the counsel? What's the basis of the objection?
They.
All right. I will indulge, Your Honor, please. I will indulge, Your Honor,
Your Honor.
please. I will indulge. I will add these two phrases. You'll never be that. Now, Mr. Witness,
Dikit update.
what statement did the Vice President utter that day if any.
Your Honor, same objection. There's a 2 hour 26 minutes. What? Let the witness answer.
Counsel, this 2-hour and 2-minute video was done on the same day.
Yes, correct, Your Honor. But the question must be given with particularity.
If the witness knows, witness may answer.
Answer.
Witness will please answer.
Can I refer for my notes to identify the exact statement because I might said a statement that's not part of the actual statement.
Signing officer will allow the witness to refer to his notes to refresh his memory. Go ahead, Mr. Witness.
The specific statement, quote and quote,
Linis din eh. Kaysa di
yes, huwag kang mag-alala ma'am sa security ko kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta at si Martin Romualdez. No joke, no joke. Nagbilin na ako ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag kang tumigil hanggat di mo sila mapatay. Hanggat di mo sila mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
Please proceed, counsel.
Thank you. Now, in what particular portion of that video recording that you authenticated
So sa baba na lang po
and
tayo ma'am, yung
online
hindi
in the
Skyway,
briefing on November
yung
20,
NSLEX,
2024,
highway
is
din yun pero
the
sa baba.
Vice President uttered
Yung tag-itin na
those
yun,
words.
Mas mura po doon kaysa doon sa taas.
If I may, sir, I think we should include the question first. It starts at 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Hindi ko kasi kabisado yung pasikot-sikot dyan sa mga...
Your Honor, so the witness manifested as an answer to the question what portion said on 1 hour 15 minutes 0 seconds to 1 hour 17 minutes 18 seconds, and we computed all of this. It's a 2 minute 18 second portion of that video. At this juncture of this cases of delay, the nation can possibly see it. Before we do, we move. That 2 minutes and 18 second portion of that video be presented at this juncture.
The secretariat is instructed to play the USB given to the tech behind that was observed and witnessed by both counsels for the parties. Sorry. Kindly play the video.
Thank you so much na kung pagkasadala niyo yung hotla ng meeting na pumunta kayo for BRRT. Ano yung nasa isip niyo po yung tinawag niyo ng bumalaki?
Kindly pause it. Kindly pause it. Ganyan ba talaga?
Your Honor, please, Your Honor, please, the witness said that he would like to include that question propounded to the Vice President.
So, ganyan nga, hindi nalalakihan yan. Ganyan talaga? Or it will get bigger?
It will get bigger, Your Honor.
Okay, please proceed.
Yung nakasarap kami at natatakot po namin ang pagkain ng pamamayan. Kaya nag-iingat po kayo nasa telepono kayo ng kalaban. Mag-ingat po kayo kasi sa dinami-rami po ng inyong mga pasabot naman kasi seems like marami po talaga kayong alam about them, no? Dahil sa pagkakasama sa kanila during the campaign and during the presidential election. Baka po mamaya kasi totoo yung mga narinig namin or yung, I don't know, true, na meron daw silang Operation Romanov and nakabala kayong ubusin ang inyong pamilya dahil hasdang kayo sa kanilang mga bala in the future. So mag-ingat po kayo. Kami po kasi na kami ng EDSA Friday Group, kami yung bumababa every Friday dyan sa EDSA because we believe yan yung tamang venue. Sabi namin rami na ng problema natin. Ang kaya lang naman po namin gawin ay manawagan na bumaba na yan. Eh ano po kaya ang remedy naman ninyong mga nasa posisyon o ng mga sayang labanan itong napakarami na po ginagawang korupsyon at krimen laban sa taong bayan? Ano po ang pwede nyo maging remedy para matapos na ito? Lalo't nasisigaw na po ang taong bayan na mag-equal forward. Yes. Huwag ka mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sabi ko sa kanya, pag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta, kasi Martin Romualdez. No joke. No joke. Ang dealing na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil na hanggang hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
That's the end of that 2 minutes and 18 seconds portion of the video, Your Honor. Pwede ba kita magpadayon? Can we continue?
Counsel may continue, may proceed.
Now, Mr. Witness, what relation, if any, does that video that you viewed with the video you mentioned earlier, the Vice President uttering that statement?
It is the portion of the video that I authenticated, sir.
Okay. Let's continue. What happened next, Mr. Witness, kung meron man, after mong ma-authenticate yung subject video na yan?
Our team conducted an open source investigation to identify previous statements of the Vice President that had similarities to the November 23, 2024 video, sir.
Okay. Now, sinabi mo that your team conducted yung tinatawag mo open source investigation for any prior statements made by the Vice President against President Marcos Jr. and his family members. Yung tanong na, ba't kailangan ba mag-conduct ng open source investigation for any prior statements na ginawa kung meron man ng Vice President against laban kay President Marcos Jr. at saka yung pamilya mo?
As part of our standard procedure, sir, kailangan namin makita yung full context kung bakit ito nagsimula. Kaya nagtingin kami ng mga prior statement made the Vice President against the President and the family.
Alright. Now, ano ba yung naging resulta kung meron man sa naging open source investigation nyo, Mr. Witness?
We identified the video October 18, 2024, an online press conference held by the Office of the Vice President.
Now, ano ba yung nakita nyo kung meron man sa naging press conference ng Vice President on October 18, 2024?
There were similar statements uttered by the Vice President against the President.
So sinasabi mo na on that October 18, 2024 press conference, may mga nasabi din na mga statements yung Vice Presidente laban sa President. Yung ba sinasabi mo, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Now yung tanong is, ano ba yung naging mga parehong statements ng Vice President sa araw na yan, October 18, 2024?
To send the exact statement, may I refer to my investigator's notes, sir?
Move, Your Honor, that this witness be allowed to peruse his notes to answer the question as to ano ba yung naging exact statement ng Vice President on October 18, 2024, Your Honor.
Witness may conform with his notes.
Quote and quote. Gusto ko tanggalin yung ulo niya ba? I just imagine myself cutting his head.
Wait, so sinabi ng Vice President, gusto kong tanggalin ng ulo niya, I imagine myself cutting his head. Now, ano ba yung naging statement kung meron ba?
So doon, na-realize ko, toxic na, di ba? Ganyan na yung imagination mo. Sinasakal mo na yung tao. And then, I said, this is over.
Alright, kung meron ba, ano pa yung naging statement ng Vice President sa araw na yan?
Hindi marunong maging presidente ang nakaupo. Kasalanan ko ba yun?
Kung meron pa, ano pa yung naging statement ng Vice Presidente sa araw na yan?
Hindi ko alam. Pero isang beses, sinabihan ko talaga si Senator Amy. Sabi ko sa kanya, kung hindi kayo tumigil, uhukayin ko yung tatay nyo, itatapon ko siya sa West Philippine Sea.
Your Honor, please, there's a manifestation of the good Senator Tito Soto. He did not hear the last statement.
No such manifestation was heard by the presiding officer. Council may continue. Please proceed.
Thank you so much.
Kindly stated for the record, Senator Judge Soto, apologies from the presiding officer.
I did not get the exact words that were uttered during the last statement.
Will the witness kindly repeat his answer to the last question propounded by counsel for the prosecutors?
Yes, Your Honor. Hindi ko alam. Pero isang beses, sinabihan ko talaga si Senator Amy. Sabi ko sa kanya, kung hindi kayo tumigil, uhukayin ko yung tatay nyo, itatapon ko siya sa West Philippine Sea.
Huhukayin. Proceed, Your Honor, please.
Counsel may proceed.
Ano pa yung naging mga statements, kung meron pa, ng Vice Presidente sa araw na yan?
Last statement, kung presidente nyo siya, okay lang. Ako hanggang vice president lang ako. Hanggang number 2 lang itong bansa na ito. Wala itong number 1 para sa akin.
Are these all the statements, Mr. Witness?
Yes, sir.
Now, proceed. Now, ano ba yung nangyari kung meron ba pagkatapos maliskupre ng NBI yung mga naging statements ng Vice President nung araw na yan, October 18, 2024?
Like what we did to the main video, the November 23, I proceed to preserve and authenticate the October 18, 2024 video, sir.
Again, for ano ba yung ibig sabihin when you preserve the video?
It means that I make the necessary action to ensure that the evidence will be accessible at any time, sir.
Alright, now, ano ba yung ibig sabihin? After mo ma-authenticate yung video, ano bang ginawa mo kung meron pa?
I saved the video on my laptop and on a flash drive, sir.
Now, sinabi mo yung flash drive, kung saan sinave mo yung mga video recording mo sa mga naging statements ng Vice Presidente sa araw na yan. Now, kung yung flash drive na yan, ipapakita sa'yo, ma-identify mo ba yan?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, please, we are now in the process of confronting this witness with a flash drive that is previously marked as Exhibit B14-11, small letter A for the prosecution, containing the recording of the October 18, 2024 press conference of the Vice President identified by the witness that is previously marked as Exhibit B-4-11 for the prosecution.
Permission to unseal the flash drive.
You may do so.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Manifestation, Your Honor, that the witness is in the process of checking the flash drive. The question, Mr. Witness, what relation, if any, does that flash drive have with the flash drive you mentioned?
This is the flash drive where I saved the recording, sir.
Alright, now. Okay, now, Mr. Witness, you mentioned earlier that you authenticated the subject video by recording the same through open broadcaster software, and then you compared the content of the recording subject video. And you also said that you found out that the respondent said, ito sinabi niya, gusto ko about the statement, hindi marunong maging presidente ang nakaupo? Kasalanan ko ba yun? In what particular portion of the subject video did the Vice President utter that?
Timestamp 55 minutes 26 seconds to timestamp 55 minutes and 37 seconds, sir.
Okay. Now, what about the statement that I quote, hindi ko alam. Isang beses, sinabihan ko talaga si Senator Amy. Pag di tumigil, uhukayin ko ang buhay nyo at itatapon ko siya sa West Philippine Sea. In what particular portion of the video did the Vice President utter those words?
Timestamp 1 hour 11 minutes and 28 seconds to 1 hour 11 minutes and 42 seconds, sir.
And finally, as to the statements, I quote, kung presidente nyo kay siya okay lang, ako hanggang Vice President lang. Hanggang Vice President lang ako. Hanggang number 2 lang itong bansang ito. Wala itong number 1 para sa akin. In what particular portion of that video did the Vice President utter those words?
On timestamp 1 hour 4 minutes and 2 seconds to 1 hour 4 minutes and 16 seconds.
Your Honor, this representation took notes of the timestamp. So, Your Honor, please, we now move for, we go to the next question. Now, Mr. Witness, I'm about to show you the specific portions of the recording of the October 18, 2024 press conference. Now, you tell us, after viewing these portions, what relations do they have with the subject video of that October 18, 2024 video that you identified, if any, okay? Now, Your Honor, we move that Attorney Stephen Magallaon be allowed to proceed to the technical booth to bring the flash drive and for the Secretariat to play specific portions of the video identified by the witness.
Conditioned upon counsel being accompanied by a representative of the counsel for the respondent so that the exact same USB flash drive will be the one that will be played.
To guide the Secretariat, Your Honor, please, these are the timestamps that the prosecution would like to present. First, from 1 hour, 35 minutes to 57 seconds to 1 hour, 36 minutes and 10 seconds at the first video, and the second video is from 1 hour, 36 minutes, 52 seconds to 1 hour, 36 minutes and 58 seconds. So move, Your Honor, please.
Secretary is instructed to kindly play the video in the presence of both counsels for the parties.
Bawal kasi tirang mo doon paglito.
President, may mga daming
Okay. Now, what about from timestamps 1 hour, 11 seconds, 1 hour, 11 minutes, 28 seconds, 1 hour, 11 minutes, 42 seconds.
Hindi ko alam. Pero isang beses sinabihan ko talaga ni Senator Amy. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi kayo tumigil. Uukayin ko yung antay ninyo. Itatapon ko siya sa West Philippine Sea. Sinabihan ko si Senator Amy.
Thank you. What about from timestamps 1 hour, 4 minutes to 02 seconds to 1 hour, 04 minutes, 16 seconds?
gusto. Kung presidente niyo siya, okay lang. Ako, hanggang vice president lang ako. Hanggang number 2 lang itong bansa na ito, wala itong number 1 para sa akin. Yeah.
Okay. Proceed, Your Honor. Mr. Witness, what relation, if any, do these portions of that specific video have with the video you authenticated as to the press conference of the Vice President on October 18, 2023?
Those video presented were portions of the video that I recorded and authenticated, sir.
Thank you so much. Mr. Witness, ano ba yung nangyari kung meron ba after you authenticated, identified and authenticated the video ng Vice President on October 18, 2024?
We performed open source investigation to identify naman po yung mga naging responses ng iba't ibang tao in response to the statement of the Vice President po.
Ano ba yung naging resulta kung meron ba sa naging open source investigation nyo?
We found that the President himself, the former Speaker of the House, and different governmental agencies made their statement po in response to the statement of the Vice President.
So yung Presidente, yung Speaker, former Speaker of the House, saka yung mga sinasabi mong mga governmental agencies, nagbigay ng kanilang mga tugon sa mga nasabi ng Vice President. Na ano ba yung mga governmental agencies nito that you are referring to, aside from the President and the former Speaker of the House of Representatives?
The Armed Forces of the Philippines, the Philippine National Police, the National Security Council, and the Presidential Communication Officer.
Okay, now, nasabi mo na yung Presidente ay nag-issue ng kanyang statement in relation sa mga naging mga pahayag ng Vice President. Ano ba yung naging pruweba mo sa naging statement ng Presidente?
I have taken a screenshot of the statement of the President on the official webpage of the Presidential Communication Office. And I also have a video recording which I authenticated wherein the President made such statement, sir.
Okay, so nasabi mo, isang screenshot at isang authenticated recording ng Presidente. Now, let's go to the screenshot. Sino yung kumuha ng screenshot kung alam mo?
I did, sir, and I used my laptop.
Ginamit mo yung laptop mo. Ano ba yung ginawa mo kung meron man sa naging screenshot mo sa laptop mo?
I first saved an electronic copy po ng screenshot.
Now, saan na itong screenshot?
Pinrint ko po.
Ha?
Pinrint ko po.
Print mo. Now, saan na yung printout ng screenshot na ito?
Sinabit ko po sa Committee on Justice of House of Representatives.
Now, kung yung printout ng naging statement ng Presidente, sinabi mo, title, Message by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is shown to you, will you be able to identify the same?
Yes.
I'm showing you now a printout of a screenshot of the statement from the President, titled, quotes, Message from President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. and quotes, the honor that is previously marked as Exhibit B-Roman numeral 4-12 for the prosecution through the website of the Presidential Communications Office. Now, question: what relation, if any, does this document have with the printout that you mentioned?
Your Honor, same objections to this printout. Yes.
May I know the...
Your Honor, same objections. There is on the left, right bottom portion of the Annex I, Annex P-U-12, 12A, and until 12B, there are marked certified true copies from the NBI signed Safira D, dated 4/10/26, Your Honor.
Court made a previous ruling about this matter already, but the objection is duly noted.
Submit, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Witness, how faithful, please? How faithful, if at all, is this printout from the actual screenshots?
The printouts accurately reflects the screenshot, sir.
And how do you know that this printout accurately reflects the screenshots?
I compared the printout with the screenshot and the webpage wherein the message can be seen and found that the contents are identical, sir.
Now, you mentioned that an authenticated recording of the President making a statement. You mentioned that. Now, yung question now is, sino ba yung gumawa ng authentication na ito?
I did, sir.
Ano ba yung pruweba mo na ikaw talaga yung nag-authenticate ng video na ito?
It's part of the January 30 affidavit of authentication of digital evidence na in-identify ko po kanina.
Okay, Mr. Witness, ano bang ginawa mo kung meron man? Pagkatapos mo sinabi mong record mo, saka in-authenticate mo yung video ng Presidente na nagbibigay ng statement niya.
Sinave ko po yung sa laptop ko and sa flash drive.
Oh, na-mention mo yung flash drive. Now, kung yung flash drive ipapakita sa'yo, ma-identify mo ba yan?
Yes po.
Now, Your Honor, please, we're in the process of confronting this witness ng isang flash drive that is previously marked for the prosecution as Exhibit B, dash Roman numeral 4, dash 13, small letter A.
Permission to unseal the flash drive, sir.
Witness may do so.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Continuing manifestation that the flash drive contains the recording of the President making the statement that is previously marked as Exhibit B, dash Roman numeral 4, dash 13, for the prosecution.
This is the flash drive where I received the recording, sir.
Okay, now. Move that we allow Attorney Stephen Magallaon to proceed to the technical booth to have the recording played on this. To be accompanied by the defense. They want to.
So ordered.
Nakakabahala ang mga pahayag na narinig natin itong mga nakarang araw. Nandiyan ang walang pakundangang pagmumura at ang pagbabanta ng planong ipapatay ang ilan sa atin. Kung gano'n na lang kadali ang pagplano sa pagpatay ng isang presidente, paano pa kaya ang mga pagkaraniwan ng mamamayan? Ang ganyang kriminal na pagtatangka ay hindi dapat pinapalampas. Yan ay aking papanagan. As a democratic country, we need to uphold the rules of law. Ako, bilang pinuno ng Executive Department, at lahat ng mga nanunungkulan sa pamahalaan ay may sinumpaang tungkulin. Natutok din at pangangalagaan ang konstitusyon at ang ating mga batas. Kaya hindi tama ang pagpigil sa mga halal ng bayan sa paghahanap ng katotohanan. Hindi na sana hahantong sa ganitong drama. Pero as a House of Representatives, ang katotohanan ay hindi dapat itokhang. Tapos na sana ang usapang ito. Kung totoo yan, ay magsabi ng totoo at hindi hahadlangan. Imbis na diretsa ang sagot, ililihis pa sa kwentong chicheria. Hangad ko na matultungan na itong mga pangyayari ito sa parang magluwasay at magdadala sa atin sa katotohanan. Kami sa naman dahil dito, itinagalang ko ang kanilang kawagang buong executive branch. Lahat ng mga ahensya ay hindi na nakalistas at marami. Suliraning kapagdegyan ng lunas. Sa kapila ng mga pampapatikos, laki natin ikokompromiso ang rule of law. Kailangan manaig ang batas sa anumang sitwasyon, sino man ang tamaan. Kaya hindi ko hahayaan magtagumpay ang hangarin ng iba na hatakin ang
I'll now proceed. You mentioned that the Presidential Communications Office, or PCO, also issued a statement. Ano yung pruweba mo na yung PCO nag-issue ng statement na yan?
I have a screenshot on the webpage of the Presidential Communication Office wherein they consider the statement of the Vice President as an active threat.
As an active threat. Okay now, sino yung kumuha ng screenshot na yan?
Nagpapakyan po yung testimony nyo rito. Nag-submit sila picture
Thank
kung
you.
bakit po as an evidence so that mare-refer din po ang defense. Mr. Witness? Yung content po ng affidavit, nung notes ko is nandun na po sa affidavit of investigation, sir.
Yung copy exactly ng
Ng notes po, para no, sir.
hindi nyo na ibigay. That's all, Your Honor.
Thank you, Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo.
And can I make
Counsel for the prosecution.
Can I make a manifestation, Your Honor, please, that the witness referred to his notes will answer specific questions as to actual statements made by the Vice President and the others, number one. And number two, in referring to the actual timestamps of the video. For these specific reasons, the witness was referring to his notes. As to his answers for the other substantial questions, he was not referring to his notes, Your Honor, please.
Your Honor, we move to strike the manifestation. He's already testifying on behalf of the witness.
Your Honor, we cannot move to strike a manifestation of counsel. The good counsel could do his own manifestation. That's not in the rules.
I would like the Honorable Court to rule, Your Honor.
Motion is denied. Let it stay and remain in the records in response to the query of
Dito po.
also of Senator
Ito ba?
Judge Erwin Tulfo. Senator Judge Risa De Veras is recognized. I believe she was raising her hand earlier. What is your pleasure?
Salamat po, Mr. Presiding Officer. Tig-isang tanong lamang po para
Drop
sa
off po.
witness at para sa prosecution.
The lady may proceed, yes.
Diyan lang.
Salamat, Mr. Presiding Officer.
1104 date ko yan.
Ano yun ito, ma'am?
Nung sinabi
Ha?
nyo na
1104
nagconduct kayo
din.
ng open
1104.
source
Kayo yung kanina,
intelligence,
di ba?
pagkatapos nyo ma-authenticate yung November 23, 2024 video, at nahanap nyo yung video naman ng press conference dated October 18, 2024.
Saan po, ma'am?
Diyan na. Diretso
Anong
tapos
basis
left.
nyo para sabihin
Ay, right.
na yung mga statements sa October
Diretso
18
daw.
press
Diretso.
conference at ay halintulad sa November 23 video na may assassination threat? In other words po,
Dito na.
ano pong napansin yung
Ingat po, God bless po.
Ha?
sa
God bless po.
statements noong October 18 at
po.
noong
Thank you po.
November
Salamat po, ma'am.
23? O what do they have in common?
Both were, ang tinutukoy po, ang pinupunto po is yung president. And makikita po doon na hindi na sila in good terms no October 18 pa lang po.
Okay, so sa parehong video ng press conference at saka yung November video naman, yung dalawang elementong yon na hindi na sila magkakasundo at
Hindi na sila magkasundo and ang ina-address po ng, parang pinapatukuyan po ng Vice President doon sa press conference is yung President po.
Presidente. Okay. And then, Mr. Presiding Officer, salamat kay Mr. Calilong. Sa prosecution naman po, yung isang tanong ko at this point in time, Mr. Presiding Officer. Well, counsel, none of these statements are proof that the Vice President actually contracted an assassin or hired one. Why are these acts impeachable?
Yes, there is an answer to the question, Your Honor, please. The prosecution is in the process of establishing that the Vice President should be impeached and he or she is impeached and be removed from office for contracting an assassin to kill the President, Your Honor, please. In as much as we understand that these statements may not actually 100% prove that she in fact contracted an assassin to kill the President, Your Honor, please. We are invoking, Your Honor, please, a rule in the rules of evidence that there could be statements, utterances of a person that may not be directly similar to what he or she did, but it could establish, Your Honor, please, what we call
Thank you.
a specific
Ay,
intent.
ayan, so nakarating na tayo sa ating final destination. So tayo ay papunta na sa ating tayo ay gagawa na ng ibang video sa ating susunod
Kaya yung mga nasabi
na
ng Vice
mga
President sa gabing iyon, November 20, 2020,
mga
hindi po yan nag-iisang
ano na tawag natin dyan? Videos. Okay, paalam po.